Hi everyone, this is Crystal, and today we're going to be discussing common size statements, also known as vertical analysis. And these type of problems that I'm going to be going over should help you in your managerial accounting class. Let's go ahead and get started. So before we begin, we're going to go over the two formulas, one for the balance sheet and one for the income statement. So preparing the common size balance sheet, also known as the vertical analysis balance sheet, is to help users analyze changes in the relative size of account balances within a single statement. All account balances are expressed as a percentage of total assets. The formula is individual assets or liabilities or equity account balance divided by total assets. Now, when you're preparing for the common size income statement formula, it is all revenue and expense accounts are expressed as a percentage of net sales revenue. And the formula is individual revenue or expense account balance divided by net sales revenue. Okay? Now, the first problem is Justin Lumberlake is the accounting intern for ABC House CPAs, a firm that has many small clients that need monthly accounting services. Justin Lumberlake has been asked by the partner in charge to analyze Morningside Nursery's income statement, which follows. So here is the income statement. Go ahead and write it down. Push pause if you need to and write down the income statement for 2016 and 2017. Okay, now that you have it, let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to do year 2016. And when you're doing the vertical analysis, you're only focused on that 1 year that you're working on, not both years, just 2016 for example. Okay, so we're going to start with sales revenue divided by the sales revenue gives you %100. Okay, now for the cost of goods sold divided by the sales revenue, you will get 59.8%. Okay, now gross margin is $330,000 divided by $820,000 equals 40.2%, and I am rounding. Okay, sales and administrative expenses, $210,000 divided by, so you see the pattern here, guys. You're dividing everything by the sales revenue, and that will give you 25.6%. Okay, I'm going to write all my answers over here. Yes, I've already done year 2017. I want you guys to write down the year 2017 as well. These are the answers for 2017. Go ahead and practice that on your own and see if you get the same thing I got. Well, after the video. All right. $25.6%. Okay, now operating income, $95,000 divided by 820,000 gives you 14.6%. Interest expense is, let's see, $6,650. $820,000 equals 0.8%. Income before tax is $113,000 and 113,350 divided by $820,000 equals 13.8%. Income before income tax expense is $85,122,000. Well, $85,122,000 and okay, divided by 820,000 gives you 10.4%. Okay, lastly, net income divided by sales revenue. Oops. Okay, and that will give you $28,228 divided by $820,000 equals 3.4%. Okay, so there's all the answers, and if you need to check the answers, you can see if all the accounts add up to 100%. And if you get that, then all your answers are right. All right, now moving on to the next question. Problem number 2. It's pretty much the same thing. It's just we're going to analyze the balance sheet and only part of the balance sheet. For time's sake, we're only going to do the asset section. So here it is again. This is only the asset section of the balance sheet, year 2016 and 2017. And we're going to go ahead and begin. So just 2016 we're going to be doing. Okay, so cash is $3,500 divided by your total assets. Remember that, total assets. Okay, $342,900 equals I'm rounding 1%. Accounts receivable divided by total assets is 45,000 divided by 342, sorry, that's a 2, 1,900 equals 13.1%. Okay, now inventory divided by $95,000. Inventory divided by total assets is 342,900 equals 27.7%. Other current assets divided by total assets is $15,000 divided by 342,900 equals 1.3%. Okay, now I'm just gonna write it over here. 1%, 13.1%, 27.7%, 1.3%. Okay, and again, I did do 2017. Go ahead and write down all the accounts in the year 2017 amounts, balance amounts, and do it yourself when you have the time. Okay, total current assets divided by total assets. Total current assets, that is 147,900 divided by 342,900 equals 43.1%. Property, plant, equipment assets is $180,000 divided by 342,900 equals 52.5%. Other current assets is $15,000 divided by 342,900 equals 4.4%. And lastly, total assets divided by total assets will give you 100%. I'm just going to go ahead and write that in. 43.1%, 52.5%, 4.4%, 100%. Okay, so there's all our answers for question number 2, and hopefully you understand it and everything made sense. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. And if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. And I look forward to... If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.